Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I finally got a new Hot Wheels case right here. Let's take this stuff off. So yeah guys, so I finally got my third Hot Wheels case. So this is our first case, our Ford case. Then we got our other Ford case. Now we finally got our Chevy Hot Wheels case. So in this Hot Wheels case, it's all just Chevys. So here it is, full turn around. We're gonna rip off the sticker because we don't need that. Oh. It's alright, we just took out as much stickers as possible. So right now I'm kind of pissed at this thing because the sticker won't come off. So at the front, we have all of our like Camaros and stuff. These are all just like Camaros. We have our Copo Camaros, our NASCAR Camaros. We have a convertible one. Then the more down we go, we have all of our Chevy gassers from the Bel Air. So we got our first red gasser. We got the red one, blue one. We got a Holly one. We got both of the green and purple ones too. And we also have the Big Air Bel Air, two of them, and we got two of those. And on the other side, we got more Big Air Bel Air stuff. So if we take a look here, we got another 55. We got some other Chevys here. We got some Impala wagons. We also do have some Impala race cars too. Then here we'll go into like the part where we have all of our Chevelles. It's Fast and Furious Chevelle, all of our like Chevelles and stuff. And also at the bottom here we also have our Nova. So we have a Nova gasser. So these are just cars that we have to still open, and we still have here somewhere because we need to open them. So yeah, there's our new case going along with all these other cases. So I still need to get some more cases because I still gotta fit all my other cars, you know? So yeah guys, the end of it, I just wanted to show you my new case I got. So yeah, check out my game channel, Zamir Gaming 101 down in the link in the description below. So yeah, bye.